Everyone wants to build wealth, but how do you actually do it? Is it about chasing quick riches or protecting what you have and letting it grow steadily? It's a choice between two paths, one exciting but risky, the other quiet but secure. This decision shapes your financial future. Do you treat your money like a high-stakes gamble or as a seed to nurture and grow? For most people, the goal isn't overnight riches, it's financial stability. That means covering emergencies, planning for the future, and living without constant money stress. The headlines celebrate big winners, but rarely mention the many who lose. So let's compare two approaches: the trading bot promising fast, automated profits, and the high-interest savings account offering safety and steady growth. By understanding the trade-offs, you can choose the path that fits your goals and helps you sleep at night. Let's dive in. Your money's future starts with this choice. In one corner, the trading bot, a high-speed, automated machine designed to profit from rapid market moves. It works 24/7, chasing quick gains in our digital world. In the other corner, the high-interest savings account, the financial equivalent of a reliable family car. It's built for safety, not speed, offering predictable, stable growth. The trading bot thrives on volatility and risk, aiming for fast profits. The savings account shields your money from market swings, focusing on preservation. This is the core battle: speed versus safety. Do you risk it all for quick wealth or choose the comfort of a safety net? Understanding these options is key to deciding where your money belongs. The choice is yours. Which path brings you peace of mind? Forget the chaotic trading floor. Today's financial battles are digital, silent, and lightning fast. Trading bots are the invisible players, executing thousands of trades in milliseconds. They analyze data, spot patterns, and act instantly, faster than any human. But this speed comes with hidden dangers. A bug, a lost connection, or a sudden market shift can spell disaster. Technical risks are as real as financial ones. In contrast, a savings account is deliberately slow and stable. Interest rates change rarely, and your money isn't exposed to market chaos. The real challenge is simply finding the best rate. It's a calm, predictable environment, worlds apart from the frantic digital war of trading bots. The question: do you want to play in the digital fast lane or rest easy in the slow lane? The answer shapes your financial journey. Let's meet our two contenders: the trading bot, a robot you program to buy and sell for you day and night, emotion-free. Some bots are simple, others use AI, but all aim for automated profit. The high-interest savings account, a secure box for your money, guarded by the bank, earning you interest over time. The bot is a tool for speculation, betting on market moves, taking risks for potential gain. If its strategy fails, losses can be swift. The savings account is for preservation, protecting your capital, offering guaranteed steady returns. It sits outside the market, immune to its swings. The bot is about risk and reward. The savings account is about safety and certainty. One is active, the other passive. Which fits your goals, chasing profits or protecting what you have? The answer defines your financial strategy. Choose wisely. The trading bot is the financial Hare, fast, flashy, and promising big returns. In theory, it can rack up impressive profits in volatile markets. But high rewards come with high unpredictability. A winning strategy today might fail tomorrow. For every success story, there are countless losses. The bot's potential for profit is matched by its potential for loss. The high-interest savings account is the Tortoise, slow, steady, and reliable. Returns are modest, maybe 4 to 5% per year, but they're guaranteed. You know exactly what you'll have at year's end. It won't make you rich overnight, but it won't wipe you out either. The Tortoise's strength is certainty. In the race for financial security, slow and steady often wins. Which pace matches your needs? Trading bots carry serious risks. Market crashes, bad bets, or sudden events can wipe out your account in minutes. Technical glitches or coding errors can trigger disastrous trades. Platform failures or hacks can leave your money exposed or stolen. You're relying on layers of technology, all of which can fail. In the world of bots, total loss is a real possibility. High-interest savings accounts, on the other hand, are protected. In the UK, the FSCS insures your money up to £85,000 per bank. The only real risk is inflation outpacing your interest, slightly eroding buying power. Your capital, though, is safe. The difference: risk of total loss versus near total security. Using a trading bot can be an emotional roller coaster. Watching your balance swing up and down is stressful. You might obsessively check your phone, worry about glitches, and second-guess your strategy. The dream of passive income often turns into a high-stress management job. The fear of sudden losses is always present, especially if you can't afford to lose the money. This anxiety can lead to poor decisions and sleepless nights. In contrast, a high-interest savings account offers peace of mind. Your money is safe, earning predictable interest, and protected by the FCS. No need to monitor or tweak. Just let it grow. The emotional benefit, calm, control, and confidence in your financial future. Sometimes peace of mind is the best return of all. Starting with a trading bot isn't easy. You need to research, choose, and configure a bot, avoiding scams and mastering technical details. Setting up accounts, connecting APIs, and understanding trading concepts is daunting for beginners. You need risk capital you can afford to lose, and ongoing management is a must. It's far from set and forget. For most people, it's complicated, risky, and time-consuming. By contrast, opening a high-interest savings account is simple. Compare rates online, apply in minutes, and start with as little as £1. No jargon, no technical hurdles, no stress. It's designed for everyone, regardless of experience. Accessibility matters. Choose the path that fits your life. After comparing both tools, the verdict is clear. If your goal is security and a stable future, the high-interest savings account wins. It offers certainty, your money is safe, insured, and earning a guaranteed return. True financial success is about consistency and protection, not risky bets. Trading bots live in a world of maybes. Maybe you profit, maybe you lose. Savings accounts live in a world of wills. Your money will be safe, will earn interest, will be protected. For most people, especially those building a foundation, security comes first. The pain of loss outweighs the thrill of fast gains. Protecting your capital is the first step to wealth. Start with a safe, protected savings account. Build your emergency fund there. Let it be the core of your financial world. The surest way to have more tomorrow is to protect what you have today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join us at The Broke Escape Plan for more smart money moves.